Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Boombi. When I first came to the US, the most challenging thing I found in my kitchen was while making rotis on my electric stove top. Today my video is not about how to make rotis, but how to make them on an electric stove top. So let's get started. I already made a dough using 2 cups of whole wheat flour, little salt, a teaspoon of oil and water. Since this video is all about how to make rotis on an electric stove, I am not concentrating on the details of how to make a dough. But if you want me to make a video on how to make rotis, then please pop down those requests in the comment section below and I will be making a separate video on that. I will be showing you 2 ways that I usually follow. The first one I call it as Tava Method. Here my tawa has been heating on medium heat and is quite hot now. Place a rolled out roti on it. Keep the heat on medium. Soon when you will be seeing a change in color on your roti like this and bubbles start forming, flip the roti. Keep flipping from time to time. See to it that the heat is medium low. When you see the roti is starting to puff up a little bit, then with the back of your spatula just press gently on that part. It's like giving a little nudge to the roti to puff up. Do not add too much pressure. A gentle nudge with the spatula will make it puff up. Then flip it and roast on the other side as well. The other side may not puff up as much as the first side. Do this a few times till they get roasted to your desired level. I do not like to roast too much as that makes the roti bit tough. After roasting, you can spread some ghee or butter on top so that it stays soft. I like to spread some extra virgin olive oil. Let me show you this process one more time. First came to the US, I thought how to make roti. I used to use this one. See, it has some kind of elevation where you can make it sit on top of this coil, and this is how I used to improvise. So this was if you have this kind of thing which has these kind of elevations, you can make it sit on top of this electric coil and you can make use of that. Another thing that I brought with me when I came from India was this thing that we often frequently use for making rotis in India. But this doesn't work. Why? Because if you place it on the coil, you can see this is touching entirely on the electric coil. And when you put the roti on top of this, then it tends to burn. So this doesn't help. But I use this for a different purpose. I will show it further in the video what I am using this for, but this doesn't work. So finally what I brought when I went to my Indian grocery store, I spotted this thing, and this really helps. It helps in both the coils, the smaller ones, as well as if you place it on the larger coil, it works as well. And this really helps. As you can see, it sits well, so when you flip the rotis, then this doesn't topple off, and it has kind of elevation, and the roti also doesn't burn. So this is the best I think tool. Okay, so now let me show you the roti grill method. Just like the first method, roast the rotis on medium heat. Here this heater is on high heat and I have kept my roti grill ready on top. For some reasons my stovetop electric coils do not get red hot like some coils do. So though it is not visible to you, but it really gets screaming hot on high heat. Do not wait to the point that the roti starts to puff up like you did on the Tava method. After roasting both the sides by flipping a few times, transfer it to the roti grill, and this is what gives me the total satisfaction. I love to see my rotis puffing up like that. Remember, the heat should be maximum high and the grill shouldn't be touching the electric coil, as that will burn your rotis and they won't puff up. Nowadays, you can get these roti grills online or at any Indian grocery store. Please try out my recipes and send me your feedback. Give me a thumbs up if you found this video useful. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.